Once you learn this process, you'll never see your hair the same way again. If flakes keep returning, if your hair dries out by noon, you're not the only one. Most routines fail because they treat symptoms, not the source. Here's what you can do. Step 1. Reset the roots. Our apple vinegar and hibiscus clarifying shampoo lifts buildup, balances your scalp, and gives your hair a clean foundation to grow. Step 2. Deep hydration. Our hibiscus tea dip conditioner opens the cuticle gently, melts moisture in, and transforms dry strands into soft detangled curls. Step 3. All day moisture. Our lightweight leave-in conditioner smoothens every texture, restores elasticity, and keeps your hair supple long after you walk out of the door. Step 4. Seal in moisture. Our moisture sealant butter helps you seal in moisture and keeps your hair soft and hydrated longer. Remember to detangle and style before this next step. Step 5. Boost growth. Itchy scalp. Our aloe growth oil boosts growth, removes irritation, and keeps your scalp healthy. This is your go-to solution for stronger, more vibrant hair. So, when your routine follows the right order, everything changes. Softness, strength, definition, confidence, from root to tip. At Raquel Tresses, we know the method and our products complete the magic. Experience the root to tip ritual today at our store. Exclusive demos, hair kits, and consultations only at this exhibition.